Welcome everyone. Let's continue with the topic pollution of air and water. So we were discussing about the causes of air pollution, and we were discussing about the causes of air pollution in rural and urban areas. So besides having outdoor air pollutants, we have several air pollutants which are present indoor as well, but they vary from area to area. So if it is rural area, the kind of air pollutants released are different, and in urban areas there are different sources of air pollutants. So if we talk about rural areas, in the developing countries, it is the rural areas that face the greatest threat from indoor pollution, where about 3.5 billion people continue to rely on traditional fuels such as firewood, charcoal, and cow dung for cooking and heating. So, the concentration of indoor pollutants in households that burn traditional fuels are alarming. Burning such fuels produces large amount of smoke and other air pollutants in the confined space of the home, resulting in high exposure. Women and children are the groups most vulnerable as they spend more time indoors and are exposed to the smoke. But if we look at the urban areas, in urban areas, exposure to indoor air pollution has increased due to a variety of reasons, including the construction of more tightly sealed buildings, reduced ventilation, then using different types of synthetic materials for building and furnishing, and using various kinds of chemicals and products like pesticides, then some chemicals used for household care. So, indoor air pollution can begin within the building or be drawn in from outdoor as well. So, other than nitrogen dioxide, carbon monoxide, and lead, there are a number of other pollutants that affect the air quality in an enclosed space as well. So, there are several volatile organic compounds which originate mainly from the solvents and chemicals. The main indoor sources are perfumes, hairsprays, furniture polish, glue, air fresheners, moth repellents, wood preservatives, and many other products used in the house. The main health effects is the irritation of the eye, nose, and throat. And in more severe cases, there may be headache, nausea, and loss of coordination. In the long term, some of the pollutants are suspected to damage liver and other parts of the body as well. Besides this, tobacco smoke generates a wide range of harmful chemicals and is known to cause cancer. It is well known that passive smoking causes a wide range of problems to the passive smoker. Who is this passive smoker? Not the person who is smoking. Obviously, the person who is smoking, he will get health issues, his lungs will get affected, but the person who is in the same room with a smoker and is not himself or herself a smoker is called as a passive smoker. This passive smoker is continuously exposed to the smoke of the cigarette. Therefore, that passive smoker is also getting affected. They may get several problems like burning eyes, nose, and throat irritation, leading to cancer, bronchitis, severe asthma, and a decrease in lung function. So, the results can be from mild to severe. Then there is a chemical gas called formaldehyde that comes mainly from the carpets, particle boards, and insulation foam. It also causes irritation to the eyes and nose and may cause allergies in some people. So that means there are so many outdoor as well indoor pollutants leading to various pollutions, and this air pollution is then continues continues to be a reason for various environmental problems like acid rain. How is acid rain caused? It is caused by the phenomena that occurs when sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide from burning of fossil fuels such as petrol, diesel and coal combine with water vapors in the atmosphere and fall as rain, snow or fog. Now these gases, as you can see, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, all these gases are emitted from different sources like factories and all, and these gases can also be emitted from natural sources like volcanoes or forest fires. These gases then get deposited here and then they mix with the water vapors and then come down as rain, and this is called as acid rain because on mixing with water these gases react with water, resulting into the formation of different types of acids. This acid rain causes extensive damage to water, forest, soil, resources and even human health. This is not the only problem. There are various other problems like greenhouse effect, global warming. All these are caused because of air pollution. And it is not only the living organisms who are getting affected, even the other objects like some monuments, buildings, soil, all these are also getting affected